Hey guys, so I was doing some Parasite research in Ahrefs and I was checking Medium and Tumblr. I was using the keywords law and SEO, and then I went to sites.google.com to see what will come up there, and there wasn't anything really interesting. And then I went to change that to SEO on sites.google.com, and the top position was Epic, SEO expert Gold Coast. So I thought, that looks familiar, and there it is. So I thought, so there it is, 1 and 2, and that looks familiar. Of course it is. It's one of my original Gsite created ages ago, and I remember I updated this Google site and put this little ad here about Evo 4, which is Epic. And the thing is, I made this Google site using our Gsite software I think 5 or 6 years ago. And so if you go back here, long tail keyword phrase, but get rid of the local. There it is, still there. And then if you get rid of consultant SEO Arundel, there it is. You've got to be very happy with that. What are the other terms? Yep, number 1. And the same. So this is just more evidence of how powerful these Google sites are and how long they last. These have been here for 4 or 5 years, and just that I actually found it in Ahrefs was very, very cool. This just shows you the power of Google sites, and particularly if you're talking about Parasite SEO, which is getting more popular in the zeitgeist these days. Google sites are the best platform for Parasite SEO by far. Hang on, let's just look at this. So pull up the URL, put that in here, overview. You can't beat that. This just shows you the power of EntityRanker using Google Sites as the platform we build on, with the power of amazing content that we learned from the leaked Google API docs. You combine all that together and it's an absolute winner.
I got the game on lock, transforming it at style. We rock non-stop, AI-driven content, straight to the top. Google rankings rise, watch the numbers pop. Peter Drew's creation built to amaze. Entity-based search paving new ways. Leak docs power, AI plays. Get your site ranked in just days. Input tours, let the AI play. Optimize your biz the entity way. Links that boost, watch them sway. With EntityRanker, you'll never stray. Rolling with the data tide, feeling the groove. With EntityRanker vibes, we're making the moves. Reggae rhythm on the SERP, we sway without a stop. Climbing higher, promise tighter, we scale right to the top. Peter Drew's vision, it's a high-tech craze. Searching revolution in these digital days.